On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Okay, you guys are probably like, where does Mean Girls tie in with your nursing education platform? Okay, in my ICU, we have this saying where we say on Wednesdays we wear pink, and it helps us know when to change out our IV tubing. A lot of you guys have probably seen these beautiful color labels that we use to put on IV tubing to let us know when we need to change them. So typically, IV tubing is changed every 72 hours for infusions that are continuous. So we have this little reminder at my hospital that says on Wednesdays we wear pink, and that means that on Wednesdays we change all of our IV tubing labels over to be pink, and we will also change out the little central line Lurlock caps, the pressure caps, to ones that have like pink around them. It's a fun way to remember that, like on Wednesdays we wear pink, so Wednesdays we change to the pink stickers and pink caps, and then when we're on Sunday, we will change to the yellow Wednesday stickers and caps. So I thought it was just a fun way to remind nurses to be changing out their IV tubing. I think it's creative, and maybe you can implement something like this at your hospital.